Painter video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can bring a PNG file or JPEG, etc. This is a PNG, bring it into Painter and use it as a pattern or fill. Now, this file I've already opened. I actually had to convert it as a colour squares design. You can find it on Graphicxtras website. Unfortunately, Painter can't handle the format, but you can convert it very quickly via something like Preview. Just do an export to PNG format. Now, once you've actually done that, and of course on the PC is a similar conversion tools, I'm quite certain. Once you've done that, you've actually opened the file. So File, Open, just select that. And what you can do then, just go to Patterns. That's the key thing here. To actually use it as a pattern, you have to quickly define it. So just go to Window and Media Control Panels, Patterns. That's the key thing. Then once you've done that, and I'm just going to quickly go to the actual capture pattern. That's the key one there. Capture pattern. On Photoshop it's define, but here it's capture. So capture pattern. I'm just going to go for default option, rectangle tile, give it a name P1. Click OK. Now what you can do, you can actually set the scale. There's no rotation feature, would be nice, but there's no rotation. So you can say 20 or 10, just set it to 10 and make certain you've got the right document. I'm not going to use that document, I'm just going to use this one. This is not the pattern itself. And just set there's 3 options. I'm going to go for the rectangular pattern type and keep that one set to 0. It doesn't make any difference. So edit and fill. Set pattern. And you've got the pattern design there. Now you can also use the patterns in numerous other places, it's like effects. I'm just going to quickly go there. Apply surface texture. So you've got apply surface texture. You select the original luminance. You can then see there's the pattern again. Anything that's got original luminance, you can use these patterns. So it's quite useful for just creating some very interesting sort of different effects like that. Now, just going to undo that now. Don't want that. Undo fill, because what I want to do next is I'm just going to go there, horizontal pattern type. Right, so you select that. Now, that does have a mind of its own sometimes. I have noticed a few times when running through this, sometimes it just ignores it. But what you can do with this makes it much more interesting. You've got an offset, and I'm going to set that to 50%. So 50%, and edit and fill. Set pattern, and now you've got the offset. Luckily this time doing the run, I've actually had a few times where it seems to just leave it as before. Maybe it's just my imagination, but certainly should offset using this lovely offset feature. So click OK. So there you have it, really quite nice. And of course at the same time, once you've got that set there, you can just go to apply surface texture and you've got the same thing. So it actually follows that pattern's panel as well. So very useful with this lovely offset. You've also got a vertical pattern type, so you can do offset as well for that. So it's very useful for just shifting it along. And of course you don't have to use 50%, you can use 20% and just say fill, it goes back to current colour, pattern, and you can see the fill is slightly not so 20%, so it's just 20% there. So instead of 50%, click OK. Got a slight drift over that way. Right. I hope you found this of interest. Thank you very much.